Huge shout out to Hart Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2018 Chevy Silverado. Today we're reviewing the 2018 Chevy Silverado. This particular model is wrapped in a silver ice. Right here we are looking at a 20-inch aluminum rims wrapped around Goodyear. We are looking at a 6.2 liter V8 engine pushing out 420 with a 460 pound-feet of torque for the MPG Highway 21 City 15. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with leather interior. We're looking at an analog gauge. On the top left you have your battery, engine temp with your gas and oil gauge. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. On the door panel you have your memory seat settings. Now we're bringing it down to the door panel. You have your one-touch window control with your jowl and window lock. This video is sponsored by TGD Wraps. Wait, I got a sponsor? But anyway, he do vehicle wraps, apparel, decals. Man, like his slogan always says, he'll turn your vision into a reality. Right here we are looking at an 8-inch touchscreen colorful display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay paired with My Chevy Link. Also, you have your standard backup camera. Below the infotainment center, you have your CD player with your radio control buttons. Below the CD player, you have your dual climate control. The buttons right here have your traction control and your bed light. This particular model have heated and cooled seat for the passenger and driver. Below the climate control, you have your 110 volt outlet with your 12 volt outlet alongside your 2 USBs. You have your cup holder area. This truck also comes with a wireless charger pad on top of the center console. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. This part is very roomy. Now we're making our way up to your map light. On the rearview mirror you have your OnStar with your safety connect alongside your 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. This part is very spacious. You also have wood grain trimming in the back of the vehicle. You have your 12 volt outlet with your cover area alongside your cup holder area. Right here you have your tailgate drop assist. Once again, huge shout out to Hall Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2018 Chevy Silverado. If you need any information about Hall Chevrolet, I'll leave a link in the description below. Real quick, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.